Welcome to this video on starting an outdoor fitness boot camp. My name is Tyler Valencia, and I've been in the fitness industry for about 17 years. And along with working at companies like Nesta, NCCPT, and starting my own company, KIPS, I used to own a fitness boot camp. Now, that fitness boot camp, I ran it for 4 years at won awards in the city that it was located in. And in this video, I'm going to pull from that experience and hopefully help you go down a path that can be rather lucrative in the fitness industry. Step number one, and I put this one first because of the timing of it, and that is to set up your business foundation. Some of the items I'm going to go over in this tutorial, this step-by-step process, they might require some of these items. So starting here is a great point because it also sets the foundation of what you're going to be doing as a business owner. Setting up your business foundation is going to involve your business structure. Are you going to be a sole proprietor? Are you going to be an LLC, an S Corp? There's a lot of options for you to look at. And I should put a little disclaimer here that I am not an attorney. I'm not an accountant. I am an entrepreneur, a business owner. I have gone through this process, and it would be wise to reach out to a friend, family member, or even a business owner in those areas to help you make a decision. Now, with those options, you could also go with a DBA. If you're going to be a sole proprietor and you want something rather quick, you can go get a DBA online, or you can go to the courthouse and fill out the paperwork to get a fictitious business name that will allow you to set up a banking account, will allow you to get a tax EIN, things that you want with your business. Along with your business structure and how it's going to operate, you want to also set your branding kit. Now, I've done a video with KIPS on how to create your own branding kit, and I'll link that in the description and up top. A branding kit with a logo, your font, your colors, that stuff will help because one, you also need to know your business name that you're going to be providing different applications, but it's also going to help you when you get to that point where you're doing promotions, when you are building a website, all that kind of stuff that I want to talk about later on in this video. So set those things in the beginning. The last piece of your business foundation that I would recommend is also finding your insurance. What insurance provider are you going to be utilizing? Maybe you're going to be paying a yearly fee or a monthly fee, depending upon what the requirements are for the city you're going to be working in. But find your insurance provider so that once you get to the next steps, you already have it all ready and you can just go online, fill out the paperwork that you need, and submit it. Step number two here, and that is to review the city that you're going to be operating your boot camp, their policies, their requirements to operate an outdoor fitness boot camp. Now, the city that I used to operate my boot camp in, I had to fill out an application to the city. I had to provide my insurance. I had to list them as a provider, and I also had to have my business license. So things that I mentioned in step one, I already got those ready. Now I just need to submit them to the city. Now, the city that I operated my boot camp in, it was all done through the parks department, but that's why I say to review your own city's requirements, because different cities, different requirements, and you might not even need some of those things. Step number three here, and get into some of the fun things with being a fitness instructor, find out what equipment you need. And a part of that is actually going to be developing some of the programming. Once you start to develop some of the programming, you're going to know, oh, I want this type of equipment for this exercise. And a part of that too is figuring out how you're going to be lugging all that around. So you might just be getting things that are lightweight, low cost, but also highly effective. Now, when I ran my boot camp, I provided all the equipment that was part of the angle that we had, but I've known many successful boot camps that were body weight. It was just body weight training. You'd be doing push-ups, running, different types of body weight exercises, and they were all very popular. But figure out some of that structure, the programming for it, so that you can then go online, figure out what you're going to be buying, how you're going to be lugging around, and also what your budget is for all those items. My tip to you for this one, and this was not actually available when I ran my boot camp, but scan the secondary markets. I'm a big fan of the secondary markets, offer a Facebook market. See what's on there that might be useful for you. You could save quite a bit of money and potentially get some equipment that you might have to spend 5, 6 times if you're buying it brand new. But with a boot camp that's outdoor, that's in the elements, boom, great way to save money and get some effective equipment. Step number 4, and probably one of the hardest steps of being a fitness instructor and being a business owner, and that's the promotion of it. How are you going to promote your business so that people know about it? It's getting out there and you're filling it with clients, members that are continually signing up. The first piece that I'm going to talk about within promotion is whether you're going to have a booking site or a website. And the booking site was something that really wasn't around when I was running my boot camp. And I think it'd be a rather easy way to operate a boot camp. But I'm going to throw 2 links in the description and also try to link them up top here for building your own website or building your own booking site. And these are ways that you could save money as a new business owner. And also it is what you need to drive people to where you're going to be signing them up. If you're promoting your business on social media or if you're promoting within the community, you want a place to send them to so they can get more information. They can learn about what they're going to be doing at the boot camp, but then of course, sign up. The next piece I'm going to move into is social media and promoting your business through social media. It can be a very valuable tool for you, powerful tool for you for getting the word out there about what you're about, what the boot camp is like, but at the same time, it's very pay to play. I would recommend looking up videos on YouTube on setting up your paid advertisements on Facebook, because within a local area, it can be very powerful for getting eyes on what you're doing, getting eyes on your business, and hopefully within your own budget. A quick way that might help, and this has changed over the last few years, but seeing if there's a Groupon that you could do or some type of deal that's similar to Groupon in your local area that gets a quick influx of people into your bootcamp. I used to use this method when I ran my bootcamp and then taper people off to hopefully get them to my normal pricing. And after I've hooked them and after they've seen what a great bootcamp it was, so check out and see what deals that you could potentially run that get a lot of eyes on your bootcamp in a quick time frame. Getting to now some grassroots ideas here, and that is to network within your local community. Traveling to businesses, bringing promotional cards, your business card, promotional deals that hopefully people walking into these businesses might look at and see and think, I do want to try this. So maybe you're going to a local juice shop, a coffee shop, healthy restaurants, quick stops that people are going to look at and see, I do want to do that, and potentially pick it up. The last one within promotion, and that is inviting friends and family. Now, you don't want to bank on friends and family being the base of your business, but it can be a great way to get people inside of it at the beginning. If new people are coming and seeing, oh, wow, there's already people here, and they like to see what other people are doing within the bootcamp within the same level, that might be a good piece to have to start. But of course, like I mentioned, you don't want it to be the base, but it's a great way to just get eyes on it. And hopefully they are helping promote and share it on social media as well. Step number 5, and another admin item that you don't really think about until people are purchasing or calling to sign up. And that is getting your paperwork ready, your member paperwork, health history questionnaire, any type of information you want to collect from new members that are signing up, like their email address, phone numbers. Those are things that you want to get ready that hopefully you're just emailing out and then collecting on the first day. Wrapping up this video on starting an outdoor fitness boot camp, I want to leave you with one thing, and that is to save all your receipts. All the things that you paid for with starting up your business, the receipts for the city, your insurance, all of these pieces that helped you start it up, make sure you save those, along with once you are operating your boot camp, your gas, food, clothing, things along those lines, that once tax season comes, you have these pieces and you can write them off, which is a big benefit of being a business owner. I hope that you got something from this video. Hopefully it motivates you to go out there, start an outdoor fitness boot camp, because it can be a great tool, a great avenue to build a business and stay in the fitness industry. I hope to see you in the next one.